There's Stephen over there now doing a fair bit of work. Are you ready to talk to us, Stephen?
Come on over here, I'll show you a little map.
Oh, you're a real salesman.
Right, what I've done here is created a time delay electronic circuit board, and also I've created it in a breadboard circuit. So it's just that's an enlarged version of this here. What we'll do is we'll test this one out first, see it's going, and then what we do is we bring it over to the breadboard and test on the breadboard.
So what's the whole purpose of the circuit? Why are you bothering?
This is for your globe plugs there, and it gives you a 20-second delay for your globe plugs, so your globe plugs stay on for 20 seconds.
Yeah.
So in this circuit you have a switch, you have a capacitor which stores energy, which gives you that time, the 20 seconds for the globe plugs.
Where's the capacitor?
This is your capacitor here.
Right.
So that's your switch.
Yeah.
This is your resistor.
Yeah.
This is your transistor.
And what's the resistor in there for?
It's to stop too much power getting into your transistor.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So if you had a direct current in there, you'd just blow your transistor.
Right.
Then you have your relay.
Yeah.
And then you have your diode. So
and what's the
valve? One-way valve. So the power only goes one way.
Right.
Then you have your load, which is your bulb to indicate that you have power and your circuit is working.
Yeah. And what's the capacitor there for? What's it do?
What it does is it takes energy very quickly and it stores it and then releases slowly. So you have like once I switched, this is a push to make switch.
Yeah.
So once I push this off and let loose, the power still stays on for a further 15-20 seconds depending on the size of your capacitor.
Oh, see, so you don't have to hold your finger on it, is it?
No, you don't have to hold your finger on it, no.
Oh, yeah.
So we'll test it out. So
hang on.
What we did is connected power into the mains. We've earthed it into the earth on the board.
Yeah.
And we also, from the relay, we've put it into the solenoid for your glow plugs. So we'll push it now and we'll see.
Okay. So we heard the solenoid click there anyway. That's a good sign. Ah, would you?
Yes.
Right. And now, will they go off themselves or what?
They will go off themselves. Once the capacitor runs out of electricity, they'll go off themselves.
Very good, very nice. So we're getting a good preheat there for starting the diesel engine. Yeah.
About 20 seconds and then...
lovely, I heard it going off there now. Ah yeah, you can see the cooling down now and everything. So what's doing the clicking?
It's your solenoid in there that's doing the clicking. It's, it magnetizes and then you hear the first click, that's it pulling down the contacts. Yeah. And then when you demagnetize, it releases the contacts, that's your second click.
Yeah, that's when your glow plugs go out.
Yeah.
Now, and you've a right load of wiring here. Now, how did you find? Did you do much wiring beforehand?
No, this is first wiring. Any wiring I did, I found it very interesting. Like, it started, it was a bit tough, you know, trying to get the hang of it. But after that, like, it was really good, really enjoyable. So it was. Like,
you got a hell of a lot of stuff done here. What's all this?
Yeah.
Here.
That there is. Let's see. That's your fuel gauge. So. This is your fuel lever, this will be in your tank on this, so...
Oh yeah, you can see it working there, yeah. Hang on, go on, do it. Yeah.
So we raise this up. It just tells you when your level of fuel in your tank, so you know when it's empty. And this one here is your temperature for your jacket water in your engine, and it's connected to your thermistor here. So once we heat up this thermistor, which will be the water heating up, then the temperature will rise on this here and it'll go up. Unfortunately, I don't have a lighter on me at the minute to test it out. But
you see, anyone got a lighter there, lads?
All of you have a lighter, have you?
Not on me, no. I'll get you on that one.
Gonna get one, he would just demonstrate the thing. And what else have you got here? What's this, lad?
So that there is for your headlamps and your dips. So we switched on here. I've got the parking lamps on at the minute, so another click further and we get our dips and headlights. So that's your dips there now, and if I press this button now, I go on to your mains.
Yeah.
So that's your mains. And then you have the blue light indicating that that's your mains on.
And what's this fella here?
That's your fog lamp. So
is that working?
Yes it is, yeah. That's your indicators. Fog lamp, this way here, yeah. So it comes on on your dips.
Ah, yeah, it's the same. You have a word the same as Kevin there. It only comes on with your dips.
Yeah.
We got a lighter, yeah. There you go. Just give us a demo there.
Thermistor.
So there's your thermistor at work. So we're just sort of replicating a hot cooling system.
Yeah.
So there she goes. She's starting to move. So you can see the temperature creeping up there. Yep. That's grand. Yeah, lovely. And
you also have your hazards there as well, so flick them on. So that's them on and off. And we have the starter motor wired up as well, so we'll just make Lucas keys. So Lucas put in the Lucas key now, and we should hear the starter going. So there we hear the starter going.
Go on, do it again. Okay, lovely. So basically you have a complete vehicle wiring system there.
Yeah, almost, yeah.
And I notice you use the online a lot now. Did you find it any use now for this carry on?
Geez, the online was just great. So it was, that's where, you know, in the evening times there, I go home and I'd look up the circuits, the different circuits for your hazards there and your temperature gauge and your starter motor, and then I come back in the next day and then I'm fit to do it then without having to waste time and wait for the instructor who's helping other people out. I'd be able to carry on myself and what I'm doing, like host a lot of online sites, so it's really useful. So that's
good. Well done. Magic.
Alright.